In the heart of West Africa, in the lush forests of modern-day Ghana, dwelled the cunning and mischievous spider god, Anansi. Known as the weaver of tales, Anansi was revered and feared by all creatures great and small. One day, Anansi found himself in a peculiar predicament. The sun and the moon, siblings of sorts, had grown weary of their celestial duties. They decided to hide, plunging the world into eternal darkness. Anansi, noticing the darkness, realized the dire consequences that awaited the people if the sun and moon remained hidden. Determined to restore light, he embarked on a journey to the heavens. Climbing the great acacia tree, Anansi sought the help of the wind, who carried him across the lands and oceans. Upon reaching the heavens, he found the sun and moon basking in the luxurious comfort of a grand palace. With a clever plan in his mind, Anansi approached the sun and moon, disguising himself as a humble traveler seeking shelter. The duo, impressed by his humility, allowed him to enter their palace. Inside, Anansi spotted a large pot filled with river stones. Being the trickster he was, he quickly filled his bag with the stones and asked the sun and moon to show him the way back to earth. The sun and moon, feeling generous, showed him the path. Upon reaching earth, Anansi emptied his bag, scattering the stones across the sky. With each stone, a new star was born, illuminating the darkness. The sun and moon, realizing their precious stones were gone, returned to their celestial duties, forever bound to illuminate the world. Anansi, having saved the day, returned to his forest home, where he continued to weave tales and teach lessons to all who listened. This tale serves as a reminder of Anansi's cunning wisdom and the power of determination in overcoming adversity. The constellations we see today, stories etched in the sky, are a testament to the legend of Anansi and the night he brought light back to the world.